Hi guys, so for this video I'm using yarn in two different colors. The yarn is in size 4 medium and a crochet hook is in size 5 millimeters. So I'll start by making a slip knot. Now I'll chain 8. Now through the last chain from the hook I'll make a slip stitch. Now that we have created this loop, I'll chain 5. Now right there through that loop I'll make 1 double crochet. I'll chain 2. Through that same loop I'll make 1 double crochet. Chain 2. Through that same loop I'll make 1 double crochet. Chain 2. Through that same loop I'll make 1 double crochet. Chain 2. Through that same loop I'll make 1 double crochet. So we repeat this until we have 8 double crochets with 2 chains in between. Again I'll chain 2, then through that same loop I'll make 1 double crochet. See, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now to finish row 2 now to finish row 1 I'll chain 2, then right here through this third turning chain I'll make a slip stitch. So this completes row 1. Now I'll chain 1 and I'll cut this yarn. Now for row 2 I'll use yarn in different color. Now right here through this first 2 chain loop I insert my hook, then I insert my hook through this slip knot loop and pull through. Again I'll chain 4. Now through that same loop I'll make 3 triple crochet. So that 4 chain in the beginning counts as 1 triple crochet, so we have 4 triple crochets in a sense. I'll chain 3. Through this next 2 chain loop I'll make 4 triple crochet. I'll chain 7. Then through this next 2 chain loop I'll make 4 triple crochet. So now we need to make 4 corners of this circle, and this is our first corner. Again I'll chain 3. Through this next 2 chain loop I'll make 4 triple crochet. Again I'll chain 7. And this is our second corner. Now through this next 2 chain loop I'll make 4 triple crochet. Chain 3. Through this next 2 chain loop I'll make 4 triple crochet. Chain 7, and this is our third corner. Now through the next 2 chain loop I'll make 4 triple crochet. Chain 3. Through this next 2 chain loop I'll make 4 triple crochet. And now to finish row 2 in our last corner, I'll chain 7. Then right here through this 4th chain, I'll make a slip stitch. Then we'll chain 1 and cut this yarn. So this will be our first square. But you see here I already made 3 squares in the same colors. So I'm going to go back instead of making another square on the camera. Alright, so I'll go back to this first corner. Alright, since now we need to join through 3 of these corners because we already have 3 and this is the 4th square. So now for this first corner I'll chain 3, then right here through this first 7 chain loop I'll insert my hook, then I insert my hook through a slip knot loop and pull through. I'll chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now through this next 2 chain loop I'll make 4 treble crochet. Now I'll chain 1. Through this next 3 chain loop I insert my hook, and I insert my hook through a slip knot loop and pull through. I'll chain 2. Through this next 2 chain loop I'll make 4 treble crochet. Again, now we reach this next corner, so I'll chain 3. Then right here the center, see where we have joined these other 3 corners, I insert my hook, then I insert my hook through a slip knot loop and pull through. I'll chain 4. Through this next 2 chain loop I'll make 4 treble crochet. Now we've reached and now I'll chain 1. Again through this next 3 chain loop I insert my hook, then I insert my hook through a slip knot loop and pull through. I'll chain 2. Through this next 2 chain loop I'll make 4 treble crochet. Again, now I'll chain 3. Now we have reached this 3rd corner. Then through this next 7 chain loop I insert my hook, then I insert my hook through a slip knot loop and pull through. I'll chain 4. Through this next 2 chain loop I'll make 4 treble crochet. Chain 3. Through this next 2 chain loop I'll make 4 treble crochet. Now to finish this 4th corner I'll chain 7. Then right here through this 4th chain I'll make a slip stitch. I'll chain 1, leave a medium sized tail, cut the yarn, then I'll weave these ends in. So for these 4 squares I used yarn in size 4 medium, and for the 4 squares on the left I used cotton. So let's see, each square, well, the squares with the yarn measure 4.5 inches. The squares with the cotton measures 3.5 inches. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you like this video and thank you so much for watching.